Hello everyone. In today's session, we'll import journal data with the multiple debits and multiple credits. First, we'll open the software. Select the company here in which you want to import the data. After that, we have to open the Excel sheet. You will get a multiple debit credit Excel sheets in a custom template. Journal multi-debit credit. After that, I have to select the file. I'll select file here which I want to import in a tally. Then we'll do the mapping, and by mapping I have taken a data in this file. First I'll explain you how you have to prepare a data for multi-debit credit. Here currently I have taken a 4 debit ledger and 3 credit ledger. If you want credit amount, means if you want to credit the amount, then provide a positive signs. Means if you have not given any sign, then it's okay, no problem, but amount must be have a positive. Okay, and if you want to debit any amount, then that amount must have a negative sign. So put a negative sign in front of the amount. We'll give a voucher type journal. You can copy paste the data, or you can utilize the mapping function of a Excel-Tally softwares. It saves your time and you will get a proper format of a data. Now our file is ready. We'll import this data. Just save this file. Go to the software. In the software you will have an option for multi-debit credit. Click on the option and we have to select the same multi-debit credit file from custom template. Here 40 entries were imported in a tally. Now we'll check this 40 entries. Account book, journal. Here these are the 40 entries, and now in this entries we have taken a 4 debit and 3 credit. Okay, so this feature, we have this feature only. No one will provide you such a feature. You will get a single debit multiple credit, or a single credit multiple debit, but we are only provide this feature. So if you want to do the entries with a multiple debit and multiple credit, you can utilize this function. And with the multiple debit credit, we provide a multiple cost centers and multiple bill reference.